I got one. I got one. I got one. I got one. On the spinnerbait! For all you doubters! On the spinnerbait! Hey! Let's go! Somebody come get a picture, please. Oh my gosh! My drag was set so light for that. Dude, look at that.
Your rod was bending good. Yeah.
He tried to go on. You said the spinnerbaits don't work, buddy.
Hold on, let me get closer.
I got a camera too. Oh my gosh, let's stinking go.
Charge. Okay. Now, brakes. I'm gonna back
Hold up. Oh shoot, my rod just... That was close. I mean, it would have been attached to the fish though, so we're fine.
Then you would have been definitely cut.
No.
Hey. Hey.
You get one like this.
Angle. Come on, do the thingy. Stick it out and do the...
No, me get one like this, like just no smile.
Hold up. Back at the toes.
Bro. Oh my god. Let's go.
That's crazy.
For all you haters out there. That's probably like a 2-pounder.
Huh?
That's probably like a 2.
Yeah.
He's chunky.
I'd say 2.
Like 16 inches. Alright, buddy.
Maybe not 16, maybe like 15.
15 and a half, 16. Woo! Feisty. Oh, let's go.